All right, everyone, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are going to be doing a breakdown of the very first trade that we took of April, Money Monday. It was a fairly decent day, pretty stress-free. We all made profit. Put out two signals today, US 30, NAS 100. US 30 ended up hitting take profit 1. Take profit 2, but then the main breadwinner was the NAS 100 signal alert. So this was a very good trade on this one. Today I did profit $3,620. Not every day is going to be a monster day. I like to come and just stay focused and grinding each and every single day. I don't care if I have a $100 day or a $100,000 day. Ultimately, I just want to know I stuck to my game plan, stuck to the rules, and I just traded well. As long as you trade well, profits will follow. So extremely proud of my members today. Several of my students made anywhere from $100 to $5,000. Super proud of them. All depends on your position size. So if you guys are ever interested in receiving my signal alerts, it is going to be the link below this YouTube video. It should be the first or second link. Also, if you guys are interested in using the same broker as me, which they are going to be launching a copy trading in the future, which means that anytime I place a trade, it'll copy the same exact trade onto your account. So with that being said, let's dive into this video. Came to the market today watching US 30. US 30 did not quite make the move we wanted to make. Kind of frustrating because yesterday it had gapped up and then had a nice little run. And then at this point, it was basically consolidating, right? So they started selling off. I came to the market, pre-market, saw that we were having a massive sell-off. So I wanted to really see this one, basically, obviously it closed this gap here, but I wanted to basically see it hold and have a nice push back to the upside. Now, this one was moving pretty nice. It did hit take profit 1, did hit take profit 2. Here I was in the trade, push up to take profit 1, it hit take profit 2, and then when the market opened, she just flushed. I got stopped out of this one for profit. Not the best move, but then the main breadwinner today was NAS 100. Now, NAS 100 basically did the same exact thing that we were hoping for US 30. It had gapped up, nice little run, consolidation, selling off here, not as clean of a sell-off as US 30, but basically looking for it to hold, have a nice little squeeze to the upside. Now with NAS 100, this one instantly squeezed to the upside. I basically ended up having to chase this trade because I was already in US 30 at the time. But basically, here's NAS 100 for you. We ended up hitting our entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Nice, beautiful squeeze with this one. So good trade with US 30, good trade with NAS 100. Wanted to see more of a follow through with US 30. US 30 had a big massive sell off. Not a big fan of that sell-off, but tomorrow tomorrow I'll be watching this one probably for more of a buy because you can see she came down here. She's looking like she's trying to curl. Maybe we can hold this support area and start to get a push back to the upside and then break over this high right here. So we'll see how this one plays out the rest of the day. Overall, breadwinner today was NAS 100. Can't go wrong with this one. We made the money to the upside. You can basically see she peaked out at this resistance area right here. You basically peaked out this resistance area before she sold off. Came down, basically now looking to hold this support level. Hopefully we can get a nice little curl with this one and push back to the upside. But that's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully it helps to educate you guys in some shape, way, and form. Remember, if you guys are interested in receiving my alerts, I put my alerts out there day in and day out for my members where I'm looking to buy, my areas of take profit. That link to join my Telegram group is going to be below this video, as well as the link to sign up as the same broker as me for the future copy trading is going to be below this video as well. Hopefully this helps you. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and remember, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.